Hello everyone. Now I will introduce the use of R5 for you. The first chapter is about R5 registration. After the software successfully installed in your computer, we double-click to open the software. Now here, help, the menu help, click, you can see a register. Here, click. There will be a box coming out. And this one is your machine code. For every computer, there will be a unique machine code displayed here. And we need a web link to register. The website is this. We copy the website and we open a web browser and paste the website here. And here, this is Magnimage R5 self-registration form. Machine code is very important. You just paste your computer machine code in this form. And your name, your email address, and most importantly is the cell phone number. Cell phone number must be attached with your international area code. For example, for China, the international area code is 86, and following your phone number. For example, now this is mine. Name, my name is Rina, and I'm just showing you an example of filling out the form. Okay, most importantly is the cell phone number should be with your international area code. Machine code, cell phone number. And after the form is filled, click submit, and within 5 minutes there will be a short message sent to your phone. The short message, there will be a serial number. Put the serial number in the register code area and click register. Then the software can be registered successfully. Okay. Now we go to output creation. The software in the middle is the stage. Here, output. We need to use the computer extended mode. The primary output is your PC interface, and output 1 is the extended output. We drag the output 1. Primary output is your desktop, so don't use primary output, but you need to use output 1 because it's the extended output. Drag the output 1 to the stage, and you will see the output image will be our software logo. And here is the stage. We can change the stage area. You see, we support 4K, 2K. Our area support 4K, 2K is customized. We support 2K, 4K, 2K. Now I'm using 1920 by 1080, so I can change it. You can choose not to change it, but to better check, have a better friendly interface, I can change it. Then output created. Then we go to signal. We can put a folder, video, picture, OSD, lot of source here. For example, if we like to put video here, right click, add video. You can add different videos. Add a video. Okay, not a video added. We can also add a picture. Picture. Okay. Also, if I need the image output, drag a source to the stage, double click, it will be full screen. Click play, it will be playing. We support the number of layers is there's no limit on the number of layers. If your computer is good enough, you have more layers. That depends on your computer quality. See. Also, we support PPT. Support PPT. Just right click and to add PPT. For example, PPT file. Takes some time to load. Okay, PPT, drag to the area. PPT we can page up and page down, page up and page down. We support a lot of scenes. Just drag to the scene area. Fade in and fade out, switch between different scenes. Now we continue with R5 introduction about layer setting, layer edit. And this is my output area. I can drag the source to the output area, double click. The layer size, we can change layer size here. Layer size. I can put PIP in my output area. PIP. The size of a layer we can change. Select the layer first, and then this is the coordinate, the position, 0, 0. And this is the size. For example, like this. I can put more layers here. Position, size. Use my mouse to change the size, and you can see it will be attached to the frame because we have auto tile function on the right. And we can do many other things. For example, I drag one more layer in the middle. We can change the layer parameters, many more function, and clip. You see the clip and fill. This is the function such as zoom function. If we don't select fill, we will see it's cut, it's cropped, layer cropped. Also, we have adjustment about RGB, a very accurate color setting. RGB change. Also brightness control, contrast, saturation, opacity. We support feathering as well. Feathering means the layer frame dissolved to make it more smooth. Feathering. We support mirror function as well. Mirror. Vertically, horizontally. Also, shape. We support any angle, any degree of rotation. Now we can accurately set the degrees it rotates. We can customize shape of the layer. Watch my steps. Make a frame circle like this shape. Layer property, we can make the layers change. Okay. This is chapter 4 about scene setting. As you know, we can use mouse to manually switch different scenes. But in some circumstances, we need a very special application. For example, for a fixed installation, maybe the customer may want it from scene 1, play finish, then to scene 2, and to scene 4, and just like this, automatically switch one by one and back to the first one. So we have a mode called serial scene and serial scene cycle. In this way, we can achieve that application. Now I close this on, and you see, scene 1 finished automatically to scene 2, and to scene 3, no need manually operate, then to scene 4. When scene 4 is finished, it will back to the first and just like this to play. And we have another mode is about magic KV. For some, especially for some rental events, we need a magic KV. That means when we play the other scenes is over, it will to the magic KV and play the magic KV, and then we can here set magic KV. So here there's an icon called magic KV here. To achieve magic KV, we need to close the other scenes. The loop, the circle, it should be off. And now scene 4, finish it, we'll go to scene 3 because we have a magic KV, scene 3. Okay, scene 3. And for example, if we play scene 1, when scene 1 is finished, also go to scene 3. So this is about magic KV. And we have another mode about scene escape. Now if I was playing scene 1, if scene 1 is finished, I wanted to escape to scene 3 without scene 2 and scene 3. To scene 4 without playing scene 2 and scene 3. And here I can set property escape to scene 4. Okay, here you can see scene 4. When scene 1 finishes, go to scene 4. So this is about scene jump. Chapter 5 about loop playback and list play. Now I make a few layers. We have 4 layers, for example, in one scene, in scene 1. Now this and this turn on. This play and loop play turn on, and play the first one. You can see when the first one finish it will to the second layer and play. The first disappeared. When the second is over, it will go to the third one and play. It's all automatically play, and to the fourth one. The fourth one is finished, it will back to the first one. Yes, so this is about list and loop playback. This function is mainly for one layer switch, automatic switch in one scene. You have many different layers. If you want to only play one layer at a time, so you can use this function to achieve loop playback. Chapter 6 is about playtime crop. You see, every video has a playtime. Now this one is 3 minutes and 2 seconds. And for picture, the default playtime in R5 software is 10 minutes. We can all change the playtime. For example, this one, probably this one, the property begin, for example, begins from 2 minutes, end 2 minutes and 10 seconds, and save. You see, it play only 10 minutes from the first 2 to the 2 and 10 seconds. Yeah. And the picture time we can also change. Picture time here, property 10 minutes, 10 seconds. Okay, just play 10 seconds. So this is called playtime crop. Playtime crop. Also, we can use Shift, the quick button, to change the time.